Hello and welcome to the channel. We got a triangle ABC with angle A measuring just 20 degree and angle C measuring 80 degree and a point D on AC such that length of line segment AD is just equal to length of line segment BC. And we are asked the question, find the measure of angle BDC. Let's do it. Well, the question do not state if the triangle is isosceles. However, we are given AD equals to BC and they are the two sides of different triangles. Further, we know angle A measure 20 degree, angle C measure 80 degree, and we can find the measure of angle B. That's because sum of three angles of a triangle is exactly equal to 180 degree. We know angle A measure 20 degree and angle C measure 80 degree. And so angle B equals to difference of 180 degree and 100 degree. That gives us angle B equal to 80 degree. Hey, we observed that triangle ABC is actually isosceles triangle. And so side opposite to equal angle must be equal. Okay, we got AB equal to AC, but what more? We know that an isosceles triangle can be broken into two congruent triangles. Let M be the middle point of BC and join AM. Since M is the middle point of BC, it follows that BM equal to MC and of course AB equal to AC and of course AM equal to AM. And thus triangle AMB is congruent to triangle AMC. And it follows that those two angles must measure 90 degree or those two angles must be right angle. What else can we do? Observe that 80 degree can be written as sum of 60 degree and 20 degree and angle A measures 20 degree. So what we do is we break angle C in such a way that if this point denotes O, then angle OCM measures 60 degree and angle OCA measures 20 degree. And then we join OB. Now we can apply side angle side congruence to say that triangle OMB is congruent to triangle OMC and angle OBM must measure 60 degree as well. Consider the triangle OBC. Two angles measure 60 degree each. Third angle must be equal to or angle BOC equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree minus 60 degree. And that's again equal to 60 degree. However, as the triangle OMB and OMC are congruent, it follows that angle BOM must measure 30 degree. And so does angle COM. Okay, that much of information we know. However, our aim is to find the measure of angle BDC, or if somehow we can measure angle BDA, then we are done. Observe this triangle BAD and rotate it to get the triangle AOC. Are those triangles carbon copy of each other? The answer is yes. In triangle BAD and triangle CAO, side BA equal to side AC. Why is it so? The triangle is isosceles. Angle BAD equal to angle ACO. Why is it so? They measure 20 degree each. Angle A measures 20 degree, that is given to us, and angle ACO measures 20 degree because we broke angle C as the sum of angles measuring 20 degree and 60 degree. And then since triangle OBC is an equilateral triangle, side BC equal to side OC, and we are given AD equal to BC, it follows that AD equal to OC. Okay, we can apply side angle side congruence to say that those two triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts are equal. And so, measure of angle ADB must be equal to measure of angle AOC. However, angle ADB measures 180 degree minus angle BDC, and angle AOC measures 180 degree minus 30 degree. We can cancel 180 degree out, we can cancel negative out, and say that angle BDC equal to just 30 degree. We got angle BDC to measure just 30 degree.